Okay, my favorite cocktail from my youth is Negroni. Very interesting cocktail, by the way. It started in 1919 in Italy. In the cafe, it's called Canzoni. And there was a gentleman, his name was Camilo Negroni. And he usually drinks, it's called Americano, which was a drink made of Campari and sweet vermouth. So 1 ounce of Campari and half ounce of sweet vermouth. So that was his drink, but was not strong enough. So he asked the bartender or the waiter at that time to add some gin to it. And there we go. We have Negroni. Negroni became popular in 1947. A gentleman called Orson Welles, he wrote the article about it when he was visiting, I believe so, Rome, and the drink became very popular. And then variation of that drink was invented in 1967 in a bar called Brasso or Basso. I think so, it was Basso. And that was drink, it's called Negroni Spagliato. The bartender was so busy behind the bar that instead of gin, he poured a champagne. And then the new Negroni drinks was born that time. So anyway, this is our traditional Negroni. Camilo Negroni invented that drink in 1919. So wow, almost over 100 years ago. Cheers.